So hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is your Cyanide Neil, and today I'm gonna talk about thing that is completely related to gaming and streaming. Well, it will add some aesthetic to your gaming setup. Now, from the video title, you know that I'm gonna talk about this gaming chair which I received 7 days earlier, and I ordered it from Amazon. Now, well, I'm gonna talk about this only. In this 7 days, well, I have been streaming for regularly in these days on Facebook. You can, by the way, you can check my stream on Facebook, link over here or in the description. So I took a lot of breaks during the stream, but other than that, well, I'm pretty much sitting on this chair for more or less 10 hours a day for this past 7 days, so I can share a pretty good experience for this, or whether you should buy a gaming chair or not. And let's talk about all that stuff in this video. Now, as you can see in the footage, this chair, I received this, and the upper portion was attached in a single part, and the hydraulic and the stand was in they're separated, and I have to put the cylinder in between the chair and the stand, the steel stand right down there in the floor. So I connected all that, and well, it's pretty much good. I received this in a package. That's all. So guys, let's talk about the technical specifications real quick. And well, after I ordered and received my package, the seller got disappeared from Amazon. I actually bought this from DRCSC Solutions Private Limited. It's a company from Delhi, and they are really so much helpful. They received every single call. I disturbed them for too many times, and I will add their numbers in the description, so go and check them out. Well, they are really helpful, but for some reason their page from Amazon is I don't know, removed. So I have a similar spec chair, which is this one, and well, this one and my one kind of look similar. And this one actually have this ability, but mine actually don't, and it's also price lesser. So let's talk about the technical specification. These are actually pretty much the same. Here a polyvinyl chloride material, my one is also same, and stainless steel. Manufacturer suggested weight is 130 kilograms, so mine is also same, and the product size, product weight is 20 kilogram. Mine is also same. Pretty much they are all the same. I remember the specs actually, but mine just got removed from Amazon, so there's a quick update over here. And well, now let's talk about why should you buy a gaming chair, and why not. So guys, welcome. And it's been a month I'm recording this video because I was too busy with my work. Sorry for that, but well, by the way, happy new year, and this is future me over here. And let's talk about the why should you buy a gaming chair and why not. Well, technically speaking, there's not much difference. The gaming chairs, these aesthetic looks, these are pretty much racing chairs or something like that, and they cost you higher, but it doesn't make any difference. Well, I'm using this chair for now at least 1 month, and I didn't find any particular difference between a gaming chair or a normal office chair. You can buy a normal office chair in 6,000 Indian rupees, but a gaming chair, at least you have to go above 10,000. So yeah, it's I mean, these are aesthetically good, but the use case are pretty much the same. I mean, I don't care much about that. I'm not gonna do this the 180 turn, so yeah, I don't need that actually. And office chair will work fine, but I just bought this because I got some chul in my head to buy a gaming chair for my aesthetic looks of the PC setup or the streaming setup, whatever I am doing over here. But you guys are not following me, and well, it's 2021, a good year I think, rather than the last year though. But I'm still on my 80 subscribers. Okay, so guys, please help me to reach 100 at least. I'm making videos for 7 months now. You guys don't like it? But I saw too many of you are watching my videos but not subscribing. Why guys, why? Just go and drop the subscribe button if you're enjoying. And well, I'm planning for one video a week, so well, if you're interested on that, turn on the notification bell. That will that will help you to get all my videos on time. Or yeah, that's pretty much it. And well, I'm linking some good chairs in the description from lowest end to the like budget or upper end, so you can definitely choose from like between them, and you can choose anything. Just go if you have money. My best suggestion is, if you have money, just go with a gaming chair or something like that. But if you don't have money, or you want to still want some cushioning in your back, I think go with like normal office chair will be fine for that. I mean, it doesn't make any difference, because I am sitting on this chair for like 1 month, and well, I use this chair pretty much for streaming, and I stream for like 4 hours, and I make videos, and routine to editing I take pretty much 8 hours, I think. So well, I don't think there's any difference. So yeah, that's all guys. Thanks for watching, and well, happy new year guys. I know I'm late, but definitely there will be one video per week, so drop the subscribe if you're new, and my social links are in the description, and these days I'm streaming Valorant, so if you're interested in that, link in the description guys, don't forget to check out. Thank you, see ya, bye bye.
Enemy remaining. Defenders win.
Oh my god, dude!